Adventure bikes are definitely a thing. They aren't showing any sign of going away anytime soon, and Suzuki's V-Strom, Deutsch for stream, is definitely one of the major players advancing the cause, as it were. A few years ago, Suzuki made the decision to drop the V-Strom 650 Adventure, and focus its energies on the base model 650 and 650 XT. The result is palpable, with a number of improvements made in the 2017 model year that will likely endear these rides to their fans even more. Now we have more power, plus a traction control system to help manage said power, as well as some nifty aesthetic tweaks and more. The foot controls are mounted low and in line with the rider's hips for a natural feel in the standing riding position, just what you need for rough roads and light off-road terrain. Most riders will find the rider triangle to encourage a bit of a forward-leaning posture, but the foot controls are mounted low and in line with the rider's hips for a natural feel in the standing riding position, just what you need for rough roads and light off-road terrain. Suzuki retained its twin-spar aluminum frame to keep things light and rigid, though I feel like I have to point out it doesn't look half as cool as a nice exposed trellis. All the same, it does the job and uses the engine as a stressed member to complete the assembly. Naturally, this leaves the mill in a bit of an exposed position, and while the XT comes with a stock skid plate to protect the vulnerable mill, buyers of the base model will have to go to the accessories catalog if they want that extra bit of protection. Among the new features and components are low-friction pistons that benefit from the Suzuki composite electrochemical material process. The 39mm throttle bodies boast 10-hole injectors, as well as the Suzuki dual throttle valve that allows the engine control module to strike a balance between demand at the wrist and what the engine can smoothly deliver. This in turn enables the throttle body integrated idle speed control as well as the low RPM assist. The latter increases RPM slightly when in gear with the clutch pulled in, a measure taken to provide stall-free takeoffs, but I look at it as another crutch that replaces skill with technology. Of course, the same could be said of the two-channel traction control system, but I find that less obtrusive and more desirable regardless of skill level, and it can be turned off altogether for off-road work where a certain amount of slip can be desirable. Priced to move, the base model V-Strom 650 rolls for a mere $8,799, while the XT trim package boosts that up a bit to $9,299. This price includes the 12-month limited warranty, with extended plans available for a bit more coin. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.